In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a photo on the YouTube Community tab. First, make sure you're signed into the correct YouTube account in your browser. Then, go to the YouTube homepage. You can simply type youtube.com into your address bar and press enter. Once the site loads, you'll be on your main YouTube dashboard, where you normally see your recommended videos. Now, look at the very top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or a circular icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with several options related to your account. In that menu, find and click on the option that says View Your Channel. This will take you directly to your public channel page, the same page your viewers see when they visit your channel. On your channel page, you'll see several tabs such as Home, Videos, Shorts, Playlists, and so on. Among these, look for the tab labeled Posts. This is your Community tab. Click on Posts, and you'll be taken to the area where you can create community posts for your audience. At the top of the Posts section, you'll see a space where you can create a new post. Look for the image icon, which lets you add a photo. Click on that image option to start adding a picture to your community post. A small menu or window will appear, giving you different ways to add an image. Choose the option that says something like Select from your computer. This will open a file browser window on your device. From here, navigate through your folders and find the photo you want to upload. Click on the image file to select it and then confirm, usually by clicking Open or a similar button. You should now see a preview of your selected photo inside the YouTube Post Composer. Above the image preview, there will be a text area where you can add a caption. Click in that space and type your message. This could be context for the image, an update, a question for your community, or anything you want your viewers to read along with the photo. Keep it clear and engaging so your audience understands why you're sharing this image. Once you're happy with both the photo and the caption, look for the Post button, usually at the bottom right of the composer. Click on Post, and your photo will be published to your YouTube Community tab for your subscribers and viewers to see.